Hello dear children. Today we are going to start the 7th chapter in EVS from the window. This chapter is a continuation of chapter 6, Omana's journey. In this chapter, journey of Omana continues. Omana, as we all know, was going from Ahmedabad to Kerala to visit her grandmother. And she was along while she was traveling, she was also writing her diary. So let us see where she has reached now. This page is written on 17th May. It is morning now. Last night I went to sleep early. It was too dark to see anything outside. When the train stopped early this morning, I woke up. It was Madgaon. So where has she reached in the morning? Madgaon. That was written on the board at the platform. प्लेटफॉर्म के साथ में जो बोर्ड होते हैं साथ में आते रहते हैं, on those boards names of the places are written and some other information is also there. Appa said that we were going through the state of Goa. Appa means father. People in Kerala, they call South Indians, they call their papa Appa. In Tamil also they call father Appa. So Appa said that we were going through the state of Goa. They are moving through Goa now. We got off at the station and had some hot tea and filled our water bottles. Then they had some tea and filled their water bottles from the station. The train started again and the train again started. I find it difficult to describe the scene outside. So she's saying she was looking out from the window of the train and she's saying the scene was so beautiful that she doesn't have words to describe. It is so beautiful. It is green everywhere. Fields with red soil, green crops. What was the color of the soil? Red, somewhat reddish. And crops were green. Hills covered with trees. So the scene was very beautiful. There was the land was surrounded by hills and they were covered with trees. Soil was green, crops were red. So it was very beautiful. While in Ahmedabad it was comparatively drier. In the map you can see Goa is here. I have marked it with a blue arrow. If you can see, it is here, yellow, the small yellow state that comes alongside Maharashtra and Karnataka. It is shown in yellow color, that is Goa. Goa is the smallest state of India. In the map that you are doing, you mark Goa also. Okay. So, Goa के साथ में ही Arabian Sea होती है. Arabian Sea is there on the western sides of India. Goa is located on the Konkan coast. ये side वाले जो coast means the land near the sea. It is called coast और ये Konkan coast में आता है. Let us learn something about Goa. Goa is the smallest state of India. सबसे छोटा state है. It is situated on the western side of India. India के कौन से side में है? West side में है. Capital of Goa is Panji. The language spoken in Goa is Konkani. Main language वहाँ की है Konkani. But people there also speak Hindi and Marathi. Marathi as it is very close to Maharashtra. So Marathi is also spoken there. Climate is warm and humid for most of the year. वहाँ पर winters नहीं होते हैं ज़्यादा severe. Climate remains warm and humid and it receives good rainfall also. So only it is green. Famous food of Goa is rice and fish. Their famous food is rice and fish and their cuisine consists mainly of seafood क्योंकि वहाँ बहुत sea है beach sea it is near the sea so people consume seafood fish variety of fish and seafood is eaten there. गोवा इज़ फेमस फॉर ब्यूटिफुल बीचेस. वहाँ के बीच बहुत फेमस हैं. पीपल गो ऑन हॉलीडेज देयर एंड दे रियली एन्जॉय. कार्निवल, वहाँ का एनुअल कार्निवल एक होता है. कार्निवल मीन्स एक मेले की तरह होता है एंड दैट इज़ वेरी स्पेशल अबाउट गोवा. Water sports, because it is close to sea, so it is very much used for various water sports. So whenever you also get a chance, tell your parents to take you to that place at least for one day so that you can experience something good. Okay, this is one picture of showing the carnival in Goa. Dekho, it's so interesting, isn't it? So everybody loves to go there. People go there for vacations. So now let us proceed. The train was moving through Goa. Sometimes I can see small ponds and far away behind the hills more water. So on the way she can see, Omana can see ponds, and far away behind the hills there is also water. I can't make out if it is a river or a sea. So behind the hills also water is seen on and often, but she is not able to make it out whether वो river है या sea है. The air is cooler and not as dry as in Ahmedabad. Air is cool because the climate is humid and the air is cool. The train passed a level crossing. People are waiting on both the sides of the crossing for the train to pass. So train is passing through a level crossing, as you can see in the picture. A railway crossing like this is called a level crossing, and there are buses full of people, cars, trucks, auto rickshaws, cycle, motorcycles, scooters, and even tongas and bullock carts with people and goods with them. So it is a very crowded crossing. On both sides of the crossing there are various types of vehicles there. People are there. There is a variety of vehicles including cycles, rickshaws, trucks, सब कुछ है वहाँ पर. Some people do not switch off the engines of their vehicle even while waiting. So when the train is passing by, the gate is closed, vehicles are not allowed to move. But some people have this habit. गाड़ी अगर चला रहे हैं, if you have to wait for 2, 3, 5, 4, 5 minutes, you should put off the engine. Because engine चलता रहता है तो fuel is getting wasted. पेट्रोल डीजल सब वेस्ट होता है. And moreover it generates smoke and pollutes the air. So they should not do this. But some people do not listen to anybody and they do this. If you also see, अगर आप भी किसी को देखें जो क्रॉसिंग गाड़ी रोक कर बातें कर रहा है बिना इंजन ऑफ किए, तो आप भी बड़े लोगों को भी आप रिमाइंड करा सकते हो. अगर आपको कुछ हमको कुछ भी अच्छा पता है तो हम किसी को बताएंगे, तो देयर इज़ नथिंग बैड इन इट. ओके, बट ओनली द थिंग इज़ वी शुड स्पीक पोलाइटली एंड टेल देम, okay, or suggest them. So because people do not switch off the engines, there is a lot of smoke and noise. सबके engine चल रहे हैं, गाड़ी नहीं चल रही है, so there is a lot of noise pollution and smoke also. Smoke से क्या होगा? Air pollution. I see some people going under the bars of the level crossing. How dangerous this is. Some people even, जो क्रॉसिंग का जो गेट जैसा होता है बहुत बड़ा नहीं होता है, एक सिंगल बार होता है, इट्स जस्ट टू स्टॉप द पीपल, बट कुछ लोग उसको भी पार करके आगे नीचे से निकलते हैं एंड दैट रिजल्ट्स इन मैनी accidents also. You can see in the picture the bar is shown yellow and black color में. This bar we are talking about. See, first of all you should know what is a level crossing. A place where a railway crosses the surface of the road. जहाँ पर railway रोड सरफेस को क्रॉस करती है उसको क्या कहते हैं? दैट इज कॉल्ड अ लेवल क्रॉसिंग. सो देर इज अ स्मॉल बार प्लेस्ड ऑन बोथ द साइड्स ऑफ द क्रॉसिंग टू स्टॉप पीपल. इट इज़ अंडरस्टूड, ये मानकर चलते हैं कि लोगों में इतना सेफ्टी सेंस होना चाहिए कि व्हेन इट इज़ क्लोज दे शुड नॉट क्रॉस इट, दे शुड हैव दैट पेशेंस. बट सम पीपल डू नॉट लिसन. हमको पेशेंटली वेट करना चाहिए. ट्रेन आ रही है, लेट द ट्रेन पास ऑफ एंड देन व्हेन द क्रॉसिंग ओपन्स देन ओनली यू शुड लीव. बट सम पीपल डू नॉट लिसन. यू कैन सी बेटा, this sign of railway crossing is also shown. Okay, so this is one sign of railway crossing. We'll be doing some more road signs also. See, these people are breaking the rules. They are coming down from the bars. First picture mein you can see the train is going, but people are not listening. They are going along with it. So that may result in very dangerous accidents also. We should not do this, and remember always. So from what we studied, there are two questions. Omana saw many kinds of vehicles at the level crossing. Which of them run on diesel or petrol? बहुत सारे vehicles थे, आपको बताना है which run on diesel and which run on petrol. Generally जो heavier vehicles होते हैं, the vehicles that are heavy, bigger vehicles, they run on diesel. Nowadays even small cars are also there which may run, but mostly I'm talking about so heavier vehicles like bus, truck, tractor and some cars run on डीजल. कार्स में दोनों वर्जन्स आते हैं. अगर आपके घर में कार है या आप कार देखोगे तो आप पता लगा सकते हो. द सेम कार कैन बी रन, द मॉडल कैन बी अ डीजल वर्जन और अ पेट्रोल वर्जन. सो these are the things which run on diesel. Smaller vehicles like scooter, motorcycle and most of the car run on petrol. जो छोटे vehicles होते हैं जनरली टू व्हीलर्स वो पेट्रोल पर चलते हैं. आजकल जो हमारे ऑटो होते हैं विच आर ग्रीन इन कलर, दे आर रनिंग ऑन CNG. CNG इज compressed natural gas. It does not make the air dirty. It does not pollute the air. तो आजकल उसको भी लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं. The second question is, why was there so much smoke and noise from the vehicle? What was the reason? इतना smoke and noise was there because some people did not switch off the engine of their vehicle while waiting for the crossing to open. Crossing को open करने के time कुछ लोगों ने अपने vehicle का engine ही नहीं बंद किया था, so there was a lot of noise. So with this we'll end our today's class. We'll continue tomorrow and I'll be giving you exercises. You will complete answers to these. Thank you, dear children.